When speaking to our customers, common questions arise, including what fuel to use, how to start their engine, maintenance schedules, and carburetor care. In this brief series of instructional videos, we'll try to show you some tricks of the trade and answer as many questions as we can. If you'd like to see any videos in the future, please comment below. Alright, let's get right to the point. In this video, we're going to show you how to correctly measure shaft length. The correct shaft length is important because of prop placement. Too high, and you'll get turbulent water from the bottom of the boat, which will affect performance. If the propeller is too low, you'll have excess drag and possibly spray entering the back of the boat. When measuring your transom height, take your tape measure, measure from the highest point of the transom to the lowest part of the V. Here we have a 20-inch transom. Shaft lengths are available in 5-inch increments, with the standard being short shaft, 15, long shaft, 20, extra long, 25, and extra long being 30. All right, so that's all there is to it. Get in touch with us if you have any questions.